Welcome to Public AI, a groundbreaking platform that is changing the game in AI development. In this video, we will dive into the deep features, the benefits, and how you can participate in this airdrops campaign. Now, the Public AI is a decentralized marketplace for AI training data. Now, where individuals can, monetize their expenses and contribute to the AI development. Its unique tree architecture ensures efficiency, transparent, and secure data management. Now, this Public AI airdrop is a confirmed airdrop. After its campaign, a native token, which is known as the public token, will be shared to anyone who participates in the community, which are the active members, and also contribute to the development of this airdrop. Now, you're going to be earning points through the contribution and also through voting the node operation, and also the through referral. Now, before I take you guys to the step-to-step processes for you to earn this airdrop, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video. Now, the link of this airdrop will be dropped down there on the description of this video and also in our new Telegram group. So make sure that you join our Telegram group to get more info like this. Now, let's talk about the step-to-step procedure for you to earn in this platform. First of all, you're going to visit this AI public website. Now, we're going to get the link of this website right there on the description of this video and also in the new Telegram group. So make sure that you join us in our new Telegram group so that you won't miss any of our updates. Now, the secondary is to connect your wallet. Now, you have to connect your wallet, which is your Twitter. Whenever you click on the link, you're going to see an icon that says connect your Twitter. So you're going to click on it and connect your Twitter. Now, another way for you to earn, another step, which is the second step, is to contribute quality data and participate in the voting. Firstly is to contribute quality data. Contributing quality data simply means blending your Telegram, blending your Near right here, to blend your Discord right here, and to blend your Soul. That is how you can contribute quality data. Now, you can participate on the voting through clicking on the voting right here. So you click on the vote right here. As you can see, the vote is still coming soon, and the next vote is on look check. So we're going to wait for this vote, and once you participate in it, your chance of claiming this airdrop increases. Now, the third one is by chance, and it's also by choice. You can go ahead and download and install the Data Hunter extension. Now, the fourth step is to operate your node. So you have to operate your node to earn passive points. Now, as you can go through my dashboard right here, you can see that I have about 300 points right here, and my today's earning is about 200 points. So the more you claim your daily earning, the more you participate on the activities, you are going to be earning extra points. So the third way for you to earn more is through referral. So if you're able to refer your friends, you're going to be earning 100 points per referral. So you're going to earn 100 public points for each successful referral that you get. Now, I'm going to tell you how you can maximize your points. Maximizing your reward. You have to focus on producing higher quality data contribution, like I told you earlier. Then you have to participate actively in voting campaign when this voting campaign starts. Then don't forget to operate on your node consistently and engage newly with the community. So you have to join their Telegram, you have to join their Discord, you have to stay updated with their official announcements. Now, this public AI airdrop presents a unique opportunity to participate in a revolutionary platform. Don't miss out. Just join now and start earning your point. So thanks for watching this video. Join Public AI today and be part of the AI revolution.